Hello. Today I'm doing the Mio challenge. I'm gonna drink a full jug of Mio. I don't know how long, but it's gonna be nasty. I'll go ahead and show you guys that it is full. Oh, God. Oh. See that? It's nasty. But yeah, let me just shake it up. Now, there's no water in this absolutely at all. I'm just going to get that out of the way right now. So, yeah. It might have dulled the flavor. More than likely not. Oh, and this is berry pomegranate. So, yeah. Mio challenge. Going down. Oh, God. Oh, God. Okay. That is really nasty. Ah. Now it's empty. God. I got so much energy now. So yeah. It sucks. Never try it. Goodbye.